Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of software design. I want to teach you how to avoid some certain errors. There are some errors you people used to make before sending works for printing, especially those people designing banner. Let me drink some water. You making errors in your banner before sending for printing. First thing you're supposed to take note is the size of your design. For instance, you want to design a 2 by 3 banner. You select this 2 by 3 banner. Note your unit. Go here. Then click on 2. Then the next one change to 3. Lock it. It's big this way. Look at the whole selection form. It's big in this format, but if you are designing in that particular size, it may slow your system. Those people using 4 gig RAM, it may slow your system very well. So you can scale it, reduce, scale it, press shift, scale it to a smaller form. You can design in this particular format, but still maintain that scalable artifact for you to print and still remain that 2 by 3. One day when you design in this format and then when you send for printing, it will still remain in that particular way. It will scale seamlessly without any problem. So, but then the problem where you design on 2 by 2, you design here and you come and say, "Hi, oh, I want this thing to be like 3 by 3." That is where it will not work. For instance, you design the work like this. Let's assume. Let's do a quick project, sef. Let's assume. Let's go to image. Let me go to my desktop and pick an image, and let's work with. I like using the image of myself. Mhm. For instance, you power click. This is my image now. Let's power click it in here. This is it. This is here. Change it to brown. Something like this. For instance, now you want to just print this thing on a 2 by 3 banner. Okay. And you come and say you want to design it. You want to print it on a 3 feet 3 by 3 banner. 3 by 3 means that is a square. It's no longer a portrait form like this. That is a square automatically. For instance, you start forcing it now. If they say 3 by 3, okay, let's assume this thing. Let's change the unit. Okay, this is it. Let's assume 3 by 3 feet. Let's lock it. For instance, come and see the blunders. Come and see it. You can take a good look at that. It already affects the print quality. The the picture have distorted. That's scatter. Look at how it's looking right now. So take note of you need to take note of your design. You need to take note of it very well before sending your job for printing. Please and please, designers. This is very, very important. You can send jobs and now later complain. This is not how I sent it. Please and please, it's very, very important. Thank you. And if you like more of this tutorial, you can subscribe for more of this. Thank you so much.